After putting to a vote what I should do with the mirror caps on the BMW, everybody has spoken and it has been decided we're going to go with the black ones. With those being changed, it does mean that I'm going to have to change the canards at the front and make them black so that it all goes into a bit of a theme. Otherwise the canards will look a little bit out of place. Let's get set up and get going. These caps have been off so many times, they can find their own way on and off by now. Off with no damage. Forgotten how to fit them, it's been that long. There we are. Right, let's crack on with this side. Just like that, it's off. And straight on with this. We seem to have problems with this size. Always. Still makes the video a little bit interesting, doesn't it? Well, that's it. So, I'm already pre-prepared and have painted a spare set of canards that I have, so might as well get them fitted, haven't we? Very quick video just to fit the mirror caps and the canards. I still have M badges left to fit in black because mine, like all the others, are faded, and I am actually missing the eye off of that one. It fell off, and I also have to replace the chrome ring on the actual BMW badge itself. So there's still a few more bits to do, but in respect to the BMW, I think it's almost done. And just an update on the police car, that's going to start slowing down now, so yeah, I have to find some other videos I can make. Anyway, If you are enjoying this channel, please make sure you like, please make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.